When you get a rainy day, this could be the perfect time to check the health of your engine coolant. I know, it's not that cold yet, but you're super busy and it'll creep up on you before you know it. I'll give you the steps to take and a few things to think about in today's Iron Talk. The first thing you need to do is visually inspect the coolant color and the coolant level in the overflow tank. If everything looks fine, you may just need to top off the coolant as needed. Check the freeze point with a refractometer and adjust as needed. Also, pH strips are a handy way to test your coolant condition at any point during the year. Testing for corrosion inhibitors is important too to extend the life of your equipment. If you need to change the coolant out, here's the best way to do it. First, drain the coolant and inspect all hoses and fittings. Then, flush with clean, preferably distilled water. Run your engine for about 15 minutes or so the clean water can flush through the system. Then, drain it again and properly dispose. Now you're ready to refill the cooling system with coolant. Run the engine once more to circulate the new coolant. 15 minutes should get the job done. Then, once the engine cools down, you can use the refractometer again to check and adjust the coolant system freeze point. One piece of advice my dad gave me when I was young still sticks with me today. I'd see him in the shop spending time going through everything on his equipment. When I'd ask why he was so fussy about it, he'd say this: "Well, there's a reason why some pieces of equipment and some operators have very few breakdowns or lost time. Proper maintenance is a must." That's why I'd advise you to do some simple maintenance and upkeep items right now before the weather gets too cold and before they're forgotten. That's all for today's Iron Talk, and now back to the show.